been, I think it's always been, I've always been a lover of orchestral music, classical music, and it's quite an intimidating field to step into as someone who cannot read music. And I met Jules and we worked together, and I've never felt so kind of welcomed into the space, and he never made me feel like I didn't belong there in any way. And it's been beautiful collaborating with him, and we're going to play you an original piece of his next.